Just saw a little bee over here. Get him off the concrete. Hey bub, you doing okay? He'll get you somewhere safe. Come on. Come on. Let's get you somewhere safe so you don't get run over. Man, to keep this grass mowed, I don't know where's a good... I could put them in some flowers or something, but they're just none to be found. I don't think he wants to keep riding on my hat, but he's welcome to. Let's see. It's probably just cold. I think that slows him down, right? Guess the pines will have to do, bub. Do you like being on my hat? All right. I guess he's staying. I found one single clover. Nice. There you go. That's about it.